that?
Of me?
Oh, maybe. I don't know. Are you on here?
I don't know.
Well, let's find out. So this will help us figure out what the formula is to find the volume of a cone and pyramid. Okay? So I'm going to hit play. So we have a pyramid there and a prism with the same base size. And they're going to show us how many of those pyramids it takes to fill it up. But before they do it, what's our guess? How many of those pyramids will it take to fill up that prism?
I'm gonna say about
3? Anyone else have a guess?
3 or 2.
3 or 2?
1.
1? Okay, let's find out. There's 1. There's 2. 2.5. Oh, so it took 1, 2, 3. You were right. Okay, so now they're going to show us again, but with a triangular pyramid. What do you guys think? How many of those little pyramids will it take to fill the prism? Do you think it's going to be 2, Sincere? Okay, let's see. Okay. There's 1. Here's 2. Oh, more than 2. Oh, so it took 3 again. Okay, now I think it's going to move on to cones in a second here. Okay, let's take a guess. How many cones will it take to fill the cylinder?
4.
4? 3 or 4? 2? Okay, let's find out. So they're the same height and have the same base, so the circles are the same. Here we go. There's 1. 2, 3. Okay. So what we just found out, when we find the volume of a pyramid or cone, it's just like finding the volume of a solid, except we're going to divide by 3 in the end, okay? So it's the exact same thing we were doing last week, except we're going to divide by 3 once we get our answer, okay?
So basically, we're doing the same thing, but we're just dividing?
Yeah, we're going to do the same thing we did last week, but after we get our answer, we're going to divide by 3. So let's
We're
review.
just adding one more step.
Yep, just we're adding 1 step, exactly, Violet. So volume of a pyramid, it's going to be our base area, our big B, times our height. That's what we did last week. And now we're going to divide by 3 once we get that answer. So it'll be pretty easy. I'm pretty excited about this lesson. You guys are going to do really well with it.
Oh, yeah.
So let's start by finding the volume of this pyramid here. So let's start with our big B, our base area.
5?
Yep, 5 by what?
5 and 4?
Yep, so we're going to take 5 times 4.
20.
And we're going to find that's 20. Now, how tall is that pyramid?
6.
You guys agree it's 6? So now we have to take our base area 20 times 6.
120.
120?
120 sure is.
That's what I rested that last year.
You wrestled at 120 last year?
Mm-hmm.
Nice. What'd you wrestle at this year?
138.
Is that the next weight class up?
No, that's 3 weight
Oh,
classes.
3? Holy cow, sincere. Good for you, buddy.
Now I weigh like 164.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
So we have 120. That means we divide that by 3, right?
Yep, and now since it's a pyramid, yep, we divide it by 3. So what is 120 divided by 3?
40.
40. Do you guys remember feet what?
Feet cube.
Cube. Good job. So that wasn't so bad, right?
No.
No. It was awful.
I don't know.
Well, let's try another one. Okay. So this time, what's our base shape on this pyramid?
A 7.
But what shape is it, though?
Oh, right. Triangle.
It's a triangle. Do you guys remember the formula to find the area of a triangle?
Oh, you're supposed to use the theorem?
Nope, we don't need to use the Pythagorean theorem. It's just half what?
Oh, half times base times height.
Beautiful, right. So what would our base and height be of this triangle here?
8.
Nope.
7?
7 and? Yep, 7 and 6. Let's plug that in. Oops, sorry, buddy. So let's figure out what's half times 7 times 6.
3.5 times 8.
I got 21. Did anyone else get 21?
I got 84. I'm not sure what I did.
Did you do 0.5 times 7 times 6?
Hang on. 0.5. Yeah, I got 21.
Good job.
No, I didn't get that.
Do you see my calculator? Did you maybe type something in funny?
I don't have a calculator.
Oh, well, let's do it this way. What's half of 6?
3.
3, and what's 3 times 7? 181.
I had bed for a while, so I got.
Okay, now how tall is our pyramid?
8.
Yes. So now we have to take 21 times 8.
Ooh.
168.
Yep.
Me too. Good job. But is 168 our answer?
Nope.
What do we have to do to it?
Divide by 3.
Yes.
56.
56 meters cubed. Do you guys think you could try this next one right here start it on your own?
Sure.
How about you try it? Find your base area. And I'll slowly put my work up. I want you to try it first.
Oh, I'm almost done.
Got it.
Okay, you just hang tight for a second. We'll compare answers here.
Okay.
Okay, do we match? How did we do?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Anyone else get anything different? Okay. Let's try this next guy over here. So what is our base shape?
12.
No, it's 8.
But what's our shape though? You're right, Sincere.
Oh, our shape?
Yeah, what's our shape?
Is it a pyramid
Pyramid.
prism?
Yep, it's a pyramid, but this bottom shape down here is what?
Triangle.
A triangle.
Triangle. So we have to plug into half base times height. So half times 12 times 9. So let's see how that goes in our calculator here.
Got it.
Got it?
Yeah, I'll wait.
Anyone else get 54?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay, how tall is our pyramid? 10. So now we gotta take 54 times 10.
540.
That's it.
Now you get 180.
Yes, because we have to divide. Oh, 180 centimeters, I forgot. Cubed.
Huge. You done yet?
Yep,
Oh,
that's not so bad, was it?
No, it's off.
Okay.
well, we have to run with the phone. Uh-oh.
What envy?
Okay, let's flip it over and try some cones.
Let's see if you grab how many you guys are with me today.
Cones, cones, cones. Oops. There we go. Okay, so our formula for a cone, pi r squared, that's going to give us our base circle area, times its height, and then in the end we're going to divide by 3. So let's try this first cone here. What would my radius be on this cone?
Would that be a 5?
It sure is. Yep, this guy down here is our radius. So we're going to have pi 5 squared times, and then how tall is our cone?
9.
9. All over 3. Now this looks really confusing, but it's not. We know how to do this. Let's just simplify little by little, okay? What's 5 squared?
25.
Yep. And now can we type in our calculator? What's 25 times 9?
225.
Are you guys okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay,
Hey, 225.
good. So now we have 225 pi divided by 3. So now let's take 225 times 3.14.
225.
700.22.
Yep.
Wait. Yeah.
So you guys got 706.5?
No, I got 700.22.
Did you use the pi button maybe?
I don't know what I did.
And then remember we have to divide by what in the end?
3?
3.
235. What are we supposed to get? I don't know what I'm doing now.
Okay, hold on. We'll clear it up. Okay, where did I lose you? Look at your work and look at my work.
Because I got 225 pi divided by 3.
Yep, so take 225 times pi right now in your calculator.
I'm supposed to multiply that by 3.14, right?
Yep.
Then I divide that by 3.
Yep.
I got 739.84.
When you took 225 times 3.14,
Yeah.
you didn't get 706.5?
Oh, I did.
Okay, good.
I got it now.
Perfect. Love that. Okay, let's do one more cone before we move on to our worksheet, okay? Let's try this next guy right underneath it. All right, so first we start off with our radius. What would our radius be on this cone?
Half of 10 is 5.
Good work, Sincere. He's right. Our radius is 5. Now, how tall is our cone?
7.
Yep. All over 3. Okay, what did we say 5 squared was?
25.
Yep. Now we gotta take 25 times 7.
75.
That's it.
549.5.
When she types 3.14, that
Yep.
number by 3.14?
Yep. Take 175 times 3.14.
549.5.
Is it going to be a big long decimal after that? Like,
Yeah.
maybe divided by 3?
Yeah, it might be a bit of a decimal. That's okay.
Okay. I got the answer.
3.2.
Yep, I got a long decimal.
Yeah, same one.
Good job.
I just rounded to 0.2.
Me too.
Wait, wouldn't it be 2? Or,
Yep.
like, 183.2?
183. Yep, 0.2.
I got 18.3.
That's okay. It depends if you used pi or 3.14. As long as you're close to this, we're okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay, you guys find this purple worksheet and we're gonna do some of these together, okay?
Already found it.
Oh, good job. Everyone find the purple worksheet that looks like this.
Okay. I have a question.
Yes.
Like, for like, so when the answer that we got for like 235.5 for the
Yep.
first one, is it supposed to be squared or a cube?
It should be cubed. I wrote down the wrong thing. I'm sorry, my dear. That was my fault. I just really love area. Okay, I'm gonna use a white version of white piece of paper just because it's gonna be easier to see than the purple, but it's the same worksheet. Okay, guys? Okay, let's see here. So, the first few questions, they want us to match the formula with the solid. Oh boy. Okay, let's start with number 1. The pyramid. Which one of these, A, B, C, or D, would be the formula for a pyramid?
B.
You're close. That's if it was a prism, but what did we have to do today to it?
Oh, 3's B.
Yep.
C?
C, yep, so we have to divide by 3. So the pyramid would be C. Okay, what about our cone? Which one?
Would that be D? No?
Yes,
Yeah.
D. Perfect. What about our prism? Is it A or is it B?
B.
B. Good work. Which means our cylinder must be A. Okay,
I drew lines.
that's okay. That works. Find the area of the base. So we're only finding the area of the bottom, okay? So if we want to find the base area here, what are our dimensions? 5 and 6. So 5 times 6.
30.
That's it.
Is it
30.
gonna be cubes?
Nope, this is just area, so just be feet squared.
Oh.
Okay, on number 6, what's our base shape?
A triangular.
Yes, good job. A triangular pyramid. So we're going to have half base times height. So what would our base and height be of this triangle?
7 and 4.
Yep. Okay, let's see what we get for that. What's half of 7 times 4?
I got 14.
That's what I got. Anyone else get 14?
Yep.
Okay, 14 inches squared. Okay, what's our base shape on a cone?
A cone?
Yep, but what's that base shape?
Oh, it's a
Circle. That is right. So we got to figure out what our radius is.
we have to do this 8 divided by 2, which is 4.
Nope, because you see how this just goes, it's just half of it. This is our radius right here. So we just have to plug in 8.
Huh.
So what is 8 squared?
64?
Yep. So now we have 64 pi. Let's see what we get. 64 times 3.14.
200.96.
Yeah, so should we just round up to what? 201?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oops. 201 centimeters squared. Okay. Find the volume of the solid. All right, here we go, folks. Let's try number 8. So what are the dimensions of my base down there?
This looks like a rectangle.
It is a rectangle or a square. And what are the side lengths?
3 and 3.
3 and 3. So 3 times 3 gives us
9.
9. And then how tall is our pyramid?
5.
5. So now we have to take 9 times 5.
45.
Good job, team. Now is 45 our answer?
No, it's divided by 3.
You guys are so good. I agree. Loving it.
I got 15.
Are we okay with 15?
Yeah.
Feet cubed.
Yes, can't forget our units. Okay, let's try number 9. Okay, you guys start number 9, and then we'll compare.
Okay.
Imagine how loud you are.
Got it.
Okay, you just hang tight and we'll compare.
Okay.
Were we close?
Yeah.
Good work. Okay, let's try our cone.
Oh no.
So if we start by finding our base area of that circle, pi r squared, what's our radius here?
Would that be 3? No.
So that we're looking right here, what's that radius length?
9.
9. Yes. Good work. So what is 9 squared?
81.
Yep, so we have 81 pi. Let's just leave that sit for a second. Now, how tall is our cone?
10.
10. Oh, wait, we're going to get a huge number. I'm excited about this.
8, 10.
So what is 81 times 10?
Oh, hold on.
Yep, it's big.
I said, would that be like 8,100?
You're a little too big.
Oh,
80,
810.
810, yes. And now we have to multiply 810 times pi.
2,543. 24.
Good work, Violet. Killing it.
Oh, damn.
Now, is that our answer?
No.
What do we have to do to it?
We have to divide that by 3.
Yes. Okay, divide by 3, folks.
Hello. I got 848 inches cubed.
Sure, I'll go that. 848. We can round that way. Inches cubed.
Oh, wait. I got 8. Oh, wait, you guys rounded up. Oops.
Okay, let's just do 12 and we'll cross off 11 and 13.
Yay.
Let's do number 12 because we haven't done a triangle base yet on the worksheet. Okay, what are the base and height of that triangle down here?
Okay, triangle prism? Well,
Yep.
nice off. Yes.
So what is the base and height of this guy right here?
11 and 9.
Yep, perfect. So let's figure out in our calculator what half times 11 times 9 is.
49.5. Jeez, Violet. Oh no!
Yep,
Hey, I'm sorry.
49.5. Now, how tall is that pyramid?
12.
12. All right, let's multiply 49.5 times 12.
594.
Beautiful. Is that our answer?
No.
What do we have to do to it?
Divided by 3.
Good job. What'd you guys get?
198 yards cubed.
That's what I got. 198 yards cubed.
This is on the back side.
No, we're going to be done for today.
Yeah.
We worked hard. Thank you for, okay, so I have everyone's names. I have Callan, Sincere, Naomi, Casey, Bamada, Violet, T. I think Javi left us, but he was here. And Sean.
Javi was here?
Yes, Javi was here.
How did that happen?
It was incredible. This is our biggest turnout yet. Did I
Javi's
miss
not home.
anyone though?
Wait. I'm so confused.
Oh, and Colt. How could I forget Colt? Colt was in class.
Wait, so we don't have to do backside.
No.
Oh.
Can you just cross it off?
Sure, cross it off. I'm game for that. We'll do more of this stuff on
Oh my god. Who let the dogs out? Wait, so we're...
This is
Wednesday.
what I have to hear every single time we visit.
Okay, hold on. Violet had a
What
question.
dog you have? Whose dog is that?
I don't know.
Not my dog.
Fiona!
Oh, scary.
None of that.
Okay, you guys, you have a fantastic Monday. Work on those bingo cards. We'll see you Wednesday.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Have a good day.
Have a great day.
Hey.